Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at regular expressions, what they are, how we use them, and look at a few examples. So here we go.
Okay, so today we're going to be looking at regular expressions. So a regular expression is like a sequence of like symbols or characters which express a string or a pattern, and that has to be searched for within like a longer piece of text. So here, for example, we have like the text my number is this, and then the result. So here we're like basically looking for the pattern in this variable text. And here we have like all the patterns and their meanings, so we have a table over here. So, and then this find all. So here we're first importing RE, and then here we have find all. So then the pattern is R, which is like the function, and then there is slash D plus. So in this case it's slash D plus, because if we refer to the table, then the pattern is slash D, and the meaning is digit, and example like 0 to 9. So here all of these are like patterns that you use in regular expressions. And so we have slash D, which is digits 0 to 9. Then there's slash W, which is a letter or a number. So it's like lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, or number 0 to 9 digits. And then this full stop or dot means anything, so it's like any character. The plus means one or more, and that's like basically you add plus after whichever one you want to use. Then the star means 0 or more, so it's like optional repetition. Then this means start with, so basically if it starts with, say, HI, and then the dollar sign is basically ends with, so like it ends with E or like by. So here we have this, and then if we run this, so then we get, so this is like the result that we got. Just ignore the errors. But here we have, like, this is the pattern that we're trying to find, because we're trying to find any digit and then like one or more. So this slash D means digit, and then the plus sign means one or more. So if I take away the plus sign, then if we run it, then you can see we get like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, so all of these numbers, but like they're not together anymore. So it's like getting each of them individually instead. So this is like the first example. Then if we comment this and look at the next one, so then I have 2 apples and 10 bananas. And here again, we're trying to look for like the numbers, and then, yeah. So here we're like getting 2 and 10 again. Now if I change this to slash W, then you can see we get each, because W means characters and numbers. It's going to give us each one of them. But if we put in just the plus, then you see like absolutely nothing came out, because we're not specifying what exactly we want to get out of this. Because now we're just saying one or more, but like one or more what? And then we have the third example. So a double hash ABC, and then we're looking at the hash, and then any letter or number after that. So one or more letters or numbers. So then we run this, so we get like hash ABC. Now if we take away this and replace it with a D, then absolutely nothing is going to come, because there is no number in this. And that's basically like what a regular expression is. Basically like you try to find the pattern within the text. And these are like all the different patterns and the meanings that you have.